Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 9 Maths, and our new chapter is Circle. Student, in our day-to-day life, we come across many objects, which are round in shape, such as dials of many clocks, wheels of vehicles, bangles, key rings, coin, or denomination of rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5, rupees 10, etc. in a clock. Okay. In a clock, we observe that second hand goes round the dial of the clock rapidly. Okay. In a clock, we know second hand, जो सेकेंड वाला हैंड होता है वो क्या करता है, राउंड द क्लॉक रैपिडली, मतलब वो बहुत फास्टली क्या करता है, पूरा राउंड लगाता रहता है क्लॉक का. ओके. एंड इट्स टिप मूव इन अ राउंड पाथ. दिस पाथ ट्रेस्ड बाय द टिप ऑफ अ सेकेंड हैंड इज कॉल्ड अ सर्कल. In this chapter we shall study about circle, some term related with a circle and some property of a circle. Okay, see, if you see this wheel, clock, key rings are so many objects is an example of a circle. Okay, now in a circle there are circle related terms. So many related terms of a circle are there. In our previous classes we learn about it. Now we have learned some more thing about circle. Okay, so first of all, what is circle? Okay, when we talk about a circle, what is circle? Okay, a circle is a collection of all those points, say P, in a plane, each of which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in that plane. Okay, in other words, a circle is the path of a point which move in a plane so that it remain at constant distance from a fixed point in a plane. Okay, see, if we talk about second hand of a clock, so this second hand runs रैपिडली. मीन्स वो क्या कर रहा है, उसका जो टिप है सेकेंड हैंड का टिप, सी द टिप ऑफ द सेकेंड हैंड, दिस इज रन ओके. मीन्स द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द दिस पॉइंट, इस पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस जो है वो सर्कल का सेम है. Okay, so what is the definition of a circle? The fixed point is called the center and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. Okay, so we can say that a circle is a path of a point which move in a plane so that it remain at a constant distance from a fixed point in the plane. Okay, understand? The radius of a circle is always positive. See, the radius of a circle is always positive in measure, and and if we talk about this figure, see, so a circle with center O, and its center O is the center of a circle and R is the radius of the circle. Okay, see this OP, O से लेकर के जो P तक का डिस्टेंस है, that is called radius of the circle. Okay, understand? Note that the center of a circle does not lie on the circle. ओके, सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल जो है वो सर्कल के ऊपर नहीं हो सकता है, वो सर्कल के अंदर ही होगा, इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, सी हियर वी नो देयर आर, इफ एनी वी टॉक अबाउट एनी फिगर, there are some interior portion, some exterior portion, and the boundary of the circle. Okay, so center is always in interior of the circle. Okay, a circle divide the plane on which it lies into three parts. They are inside the circle, which is called interior of the circle, the circle and means the boundary of the circle, and the outside of the circle, which is also called the exterior of the circle. Okay, and the circle and the interior make the circular region. See, what do you mean by circular region? इंटीरियर पार्ट एंड बाउंड्री मिल करके बनती है सर्कुलर रीजन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस मेक्स सर्कुलर रीजन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So student, what is the circle? The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle, and जो पाथ है जो फिक्स डिस्टेंस है, डिस्टेंस जो है सर्कल का, that is called radius of the circle. Okay, understand? Note that the center of a circle does not lie on the circle. Okay, सेंटर हमेशा इंटीरियर में होता है. ओके, लेट O be the center of a circle and R be the radius. If P is point on the circle, then the line segment OP is the radius of a circle. So you can say that OP, line segment OP is a radius of a circle, that is R. Okay, this is R. Okay, understand? Then this line segment OP is the radius of a circle and its length is R. Okay, if Q is another point on the circle, if we can say that this is Q, Q is another point on the circle, then OQ is also radius of a circle. So you can say that OP, line segment OP is equal to OQ is equal to R. Okay, understand? Because both are the radius of a circle. Okay, understand? Is another radius of a circle. Note that all radius have one point in common, which is the center of a circle. All radius have one point common, that is the center of the circle. Okay, understand? So you can note this thing, the line segment joining the center and any point of on the circle is called a radius of a circle. Thus radius is used in two sense, in the sense of one of line segment and also in the sense of its length. Okay, understand? So the collection of the point in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. The fixed point is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Or in other words, we can say that the line segment joining the center and any point of the circle is called radius of the circle. In the following figure, O is the center and OP, line segment OP is the radius of the circle. Okay, understand? And radius is also used in two sense, means line segment or you can say length of it. Okay, understand? Now parts of the plane divide by a circle. A circle divide the plane on which it lies into three parts. These parts are on inside the circle, which is called the interior of the circle, on the circle and outside the circle, which is called exterior of the circle. The circle and its interior part means first and second. आप उसको first and second बोल सकते हैं, interior and on the circle. Okay, understand? Make up the circular region. Okay, understand? So circle having same center are called concentric circle. अगर कोई सर्कल्स हैं जिनका सेंटर सेम है, कोई दो सर्कल हैं जिनका सेंटर सेम है, तो हम उन्हें बोलते हैं कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल. ओके, मीन्स दोनों का सेंट्रल कैसा है, सेम है. टू सर्कल आर सेड टू बी कॉन्ग्रेंट इफ एंड ओनली इफ either of them can be superposed on the other or so as to cover it exactly, or if and only if their radius are equal. Okay, understand? So these two conditions are happening, then and then two circles are congruent to each other. Okay, understand? Now, a circle is closed curve. It divides the plane region into three parts. They are circle, the collection of all point P of the plane such that OP is equal to R from a circle with center O and radius R. Okay, understand? So, and जो radius होगी वो always greater than 0 होगी. Okay, understand? Interior of the circle, so you can write down the definition. Interior of the circle is the collection of all point of the plane which lies inside the circle, that is the collection of all point P of the plane such that OP is less than R from the interior of the circle. Okay, understand? So the collection of all point of the plane which either lie on the circle or are inside the circle form a circular region. Okay, understand? Now what is exterior of a circle? The collection of all point of the plane which lies outside the circle, that is the collection of all point of the plane such that OP is greater than R from the exterior of the circle. Okay, student, understand? So we can learn what is circle, what is interior of the circle, on the circle, exterior of the circle, circular region, what is center of the circle, and radius of the circle. Okay, now and then now we can learn some more term. Chord of the circle. Okay, a line segment joining any 2 point of a circle is called chord of a circle. Okay, कोई भी 2 point को जो line segment join करता है, that is called chord of a circle. Okay, understand? Here see, PQ is a chord of a circle and AOB is also a chord of a circle. Okay, in the adjoining figure, PQ is chord of a circle with center O. The distance PQ is called the length of the chord. PQ का distance क्या कहलाएगा? Length of the chord. And AOB is the longest chord of a circle. A chord of a circle which passes through its center is called diameter. Okay, understand? So a chord of a circle which passes through its center is called diameter of a circle, and a diameter of a circle is the longest chord of the circle, and all diameter have equal length. Okay, understand? So what about chord of a circle? A line segment joining any 2 point of a circle is called chord of a circle. Okay, here PQ is a chord of a circle and AOB is called diameter, because AOB is also a chord of a circle, but it's going from center, passes from center, so we can say that it's a diameter. And वो आप जितने भी डायमीटर ड्रॉ करेंगे वो सारे के सारे डायमीटर्स लेंथ वाइज सेम होंगे. लेंथ ऑफ द डायमीटर इज सेम. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो in this figure, okay, a diameter of a circle is longest chord. In the adjoining figure, PQ is a chord of a circle and AOB is a diameter of a circle, where OA and OB are the radius of a circle. Okay, so what is the see, OA is equal to R is equal to OB because it's radius. Okay, so what about diameter? हम बोल रहे हैं AOB. ये वाला जो पूरा लाइन है, दिस इज द डायमीटर ऑफ अ सर्कल. ओके, सो डायमीटर इज 2r. r plus r 2r. Okay, so whenever we talk about diameter, length of the diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, note that there are infinitely many lines passing through the point O, center of a circle. So a circle has infinitely many diameter. Okay, understand? circle के अंदर कितने infinitely many diameters हो सकते हैं. Okay, understand? The word diameter is also used in two sense, that is as a line segment and also as its length. Okay, understand? Now again, what is the chord of a circle? A line segment joining 2 points of the circumference of the circle is called a chord of a circle. Okay, here PQ is a chord of a circle. And what about diameter? A chord which passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. In figure, AOB is the diameter of a circle. Okay, understand? And AB is the diameter of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord and all diameter have same length, which is equal to 2 times the radius. Okay, understand? Now what about circumference? circumference हम किसे बोलेंगे? The length of the complete circle is called its circumference. Okay, length of the complete circle. Okay, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? circumference of a circle. Okay, student. Now, what is secant of a circle? Secant. What is secant of a circle? A line which meet a circle in 2 points is called a secant of the circle. Okay, see here. If this is circle and यहाँ से अगर कोई लाइन जा रही है, this is PQ line, this is our center O. So this PQ line जो है, a line which meet a circle in 2 points is called secant of a circle. Okay, understand? In the adjoining figure, PQ, हम PQ को क्या बोल सकते हैं? is a secant of a circle with center O. Okay, now what about arc of a circle? Arc, a continuous part of a circle is called arc of a circle. The arc of a circle is denoted by this sign. See here, this is the sign of arc. PQ के ऊपर क्या बनाया हुआ है बेटा? आर्क. ओके, मीन्स अगर आप दो कंटिन्यूस पॉइंट सर्कल पे ले रहे हैं, सी हियर, दिस इज P एंड Q, दिस 2 कंटिन्यूस पॉइंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्क ऑफ अ सर्कल and we can write it PQ or you can write PQ arc. Okay, so this way, this is called arc of a circle. The and we can say that a continuous part of a circle is called an arc of a circle. The arc of a circle is denoted by this symbol. Okay, what is the symbol? This is the symbol of arc of a circle. Okay, understand? And in this figure we can write it PQ, ठीक है, arc of PQ, the arc PQ of the circle. We can read it arc PQ of the circle with center O. Okay, arc of a circle is divided into following categories. अब arc जो है वो भी हम कुछ कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. डेट इज माइनर ऑफ अ सर्कल, माइनर आर्क एंड मेजर आर्क. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? देन सेमी सर्कल, देन सर्कमफेरेंस. ओके, सो See here, this is a minor arc. If we talk about PQ, so PQ is a minor arc, an arc less than 1/2. अगर वो हाफ के मतलब जो डायमीटर, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट हियर, दिस इज अ सेंटर, अगर मैं ये सेंटर O बोलती हूँ तो ये जो आर्क है PQ, ये हाफ सर्कल के हाफ से छोटा है, तो इसे हम बोलते हैं माइनर आर्क ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, एंड एन आर्क ग्रेटर देन 1/2 ऑफ द होल आर्क इज कॉल्ड मेजर आर्क. सो हियर सी, अगर हम इसकी बात करें, यहाँ पर ऊपर अगर हमने कोई एक पॉइंट लिया है R, ओके, and we can talk about PRQ. So PRQ is a major arc. Okay, understand? And if we talk about these 2 point, अगर यहाँ पर 2 पॉइंट है कोई और ये सेंटर से होकर जा रहा है, तो ये हो जाएगा सेमी सर्कल. When PQ is a diameter, then both arc are equal and each is called the semicircle. Okay, thus 1/2 of the whole arc of a circle is called semicircle. Okay, understand? And when we talk about full circle, this is the full circle, this is called circumference. Okay, the whole arc of a circle is called the circumference of a circle. The length of circumference of a circle is the length of the whole arc. However, in general, the term circumference of a circle refer to its length. Okay, understand? So we can learn so many terms in this introduction. Okay, have a good day.